Well, after 3 o'clock on Saturday, December 19th, this is the largest December snowstorm in Washington, D.C. history. Looks like we got about a foot or more here. Some areas up to 20 inches. Obviously a big news story. My patio here. Poor pumpkin. Don't miss shoveling. Snow drifting up over my window here. And I just had to get out for a little while. What a storm. Do a little sledding. This lodge looking pretty in the snow. Nottoway Park. On Moorfield. Jack's out and about somewhere up here. This road is deep now. Look at that. Alright, wave to the folks back home. Look at all that. That is just...
Getting tired of this. This is getting real old.
I would imagine. I mean, and they've probably got more to come, but... and then you've got this big... What are you going to do about all this right here?
I'm waiting for the snowplow to come through.
Yeah, they'll just knock it right back into your driveway.
Then I'll dig it out.
Well, good luck.
Thanks.
A little snow on the Nottoway Park sign. Nottoway basketball courts. Fogel's got a little snow on their vehicle. At the drive-thru at McDonald's. Going up towards Madison High School.
I wonder whose car it is.
I don't know. That car's not going anywhere for a while. Look at that thing. It's just buried in there. Wow. Billy's going to want to see what Madison High School looks like in the snow. Man.
Bus services have pretty much heated that.
Look at that car.
Somebody's got some digging out to do there.
Of the activities. As far as private schools, snow photo gallery, check that out. It's actually pretty cool.
Rogersfield Circle. Wow, look at all this. Look at that. Man, that's some serious snow over there.
It was apparently a stuck truck by Virginia 95 northbound still jammed as you make your way from Dale City heading out toward the Occoquan River. The drifting snow still going to be a concern. And tomorrow some flurry.
Getting snowed in here.
Random drivers out there getting in their way. So